All right, it took a bit of doing, but I have a perfect alignment here now. So it's all set. I've exaggerated the turn here a little bit because I wanted a straight on shot while I solder this. So all that's looking pretty good. I'm just gonna put some acid on it. Flux, in case you haven't watched some of my other videos, this is just an acid flux that cleans the rail when it heats up. I've also cleaned the rails with steel wool that you also probably saw. The rail joiners went together kind of hard, but I like that. It's nice and firm. So let's just get these things soldered up, and I'll feel better about all this. I already ran some wheels over this track right here to make sure it's still engaged, so nothing's going on with it. Sorry if you can't see that just right there, but got to hold that iron just right. And that looks like a good solder on all sides. Okay. So now let's just check that gauge again. So very little play there. And as I come up onto it, very little play. Good, nice. And it rolls smoothly over it, and I haven't even filed it yet. Good. It's a little rough, needs some filing, but I'm all right with that. All right, we're ready to glue some things down here, I think. Going to lift this track up a little bit. See what I can get away with here. Just a little bit there, as well as on the other end. Just enough to get a knife under there and spread some glue. What I'm using is just some clear silicone. It's softer and won't dry hard like glue does. And I'm trying to find a place to put this. Trying to use material that's a little more sound absorbent to quiet down the track some. So let's see what this will do. Hopefully it'll be just what I need. And it's not like you need a whole lot to glue down a track anyway. Just need it to stay in one place until you can get the ballast down and get the glue down around the ballast. It's going to hold it all in place anyway. So till then, I need a little something to hold it down with. Now positioning the track where I want it will be the next thing. And that piece is going to stay right there. This was the high spot, if you remember right. So I'm going to anchor that right there. And the rest of this will curve around there nicely all by itself. Just get it held in place. Just a couple of spots here. All right, it's been a day since this has been setting, so let's see how it has come out. little bit of glue here or there. I like the way it's sitting, that's fine. I'm just going to clean this up a little bit and run a car on it. Let's see what that looks like. All right, track's all clean. Let's try the frontward backward test with 5 cars. First little bump there that I was worried about is okay. Okay, there. The hump there is much smoother. I can even see it. Nothing off the rails. It's past all of the joints. Let's try the backwards test. Good there. Looking good. All right. Looks like the repair was successful. A little bit of scenery and decorating to put it back to where it was. And we'll be in good shape. I'll probably look at this cautiously for a while, but it's looking good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a lot of work to do that, but well worth it. I had to take the time to do it. It had to be done. So please subscribe and hit that like button if you would. I'd appreciate it, and I'll see you back next time.